everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Uniquely Mia, also known as Mia, and this is vlog number 1 of spring break. I'm going to try and vlog every day just to see if I can actually do that and to get a lot of content for when I go back to school. I have stuff to post for you guys that's interesting. So today we are going to the beauty supply store. My mom said she's gonna do a Cruella de Vil type hairstyle on me, so we'll see how it looks. And then my mom also said we're going to the mall to look for an outfit because we're going somewhere on Monday. So come along with me. The weather in New York City is honestly pretty cold. It's about 47 degrees today. We have to do a jacket change, got a Snapple peach tea, and now we are walking to the first stop. We are in the beauty supply store. They do not have the platinum blonde hair for the Cruella de Vil style and the curls, so now we're gonna see if they have it in the braiding hair. My mom could probably do something else or something different like that. So first beauty supply store was a fail. They have colors similar, so we're gonna go to another one to see if they have a more platinum blonde type color. We are on a New York City bus right now. We got some people. We got the back to ourselves, so we're just chillaxing until we get to our stop. The buses look like in New York City. We've never been on one before. To Macy's, guys, so we are looking for jeans similar but a little different to match with my mom. So far we found jeans and a jacket. Mom bought a pair of sweatpants, but it's okay. I like it, but I don't. So I found these jeans that I'm gonna try on and see how that fits.
That's cute. And then you're gonna be warm because you could even wear the turtleneck underneath. You could do your hair in pink and white instead of the boho knot, pink and white.
I need a bigger pair of jeans because of the front. All right, G, a debriefing. How was that experience out of 10?
8.
Why is it an 8?
Yep, so there's 2 minus points.
Yeah, so what's the 2 minus points for?
First minus point is they what was it? Oh yeah, my legs got sore from standing so much. I had to stand like this.
Uh-huh.
And it hurt my legs so much.
We have to stand for an hour,
And then
guys.
the second minus point is that you literally just had to stay like a statue. You were looking straight like this.
Yeah, true.
How did you feel in the fashion show 1 to 10?
A 5 probably.
Oh my god.
Okay, it was a 5 because 1, wasn't prepared for it. 2, I had critiques and they said I was too stiff and too fast. And I guess when you compare it, because before in the past I had a really great walk, top tier walk. But when you don't practice for a while, you lose it, and when you try to do it again, you compare it, so you know it's not as good.
Oh, so in other words, you're saying you wasn't feeling your best.
Yeah, because it's I didn't practice, I didn't have time, and in the past I know my walk was good.
Okay, what is your 3 more?
3 more. I have to do points. Oh, okay.
Because 5.
All right.
Because 10 minus 5.
Okay, I wasn't wearing heels. When I walk the runway, I practice with heels. I'm used to wearing heels, so I feel with the boots, I don't want to say the boots threw me off, but you needed the heels. And that's basically it. So yeah,
Okay, so
very
you
interesting.
made it a 7.
It's still a 5, but I can't figure out more points on why it's a 5. This is the person who wanted us to do it, Queen Mother. So Queen Mother, why did you want us to do it? How did you think we did out of 10?
I think you guys did fantastic.
So
If
you're
you go
saying
back,
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. If you go back and look at the live, I think you guys did a wonderful job. The most important thing was courage, and you guys had courage because you walked, you started it, you started it and you finish it. So for courage, you were 100%, and you added a little attitude. Me, Uniquely Mia, I could tell that you was nervous because I know you very well. you did it kind of quick.
Yeah.
I wish you had took your time and enjoyed the moment a little more.
Please, Stu, how did we do?
Y'all did good.
Did? Okay. Okay, guys, hair in New York City is expensive. 43 bucks. Insane. But bought the hair. It's pink, so we shall see how that comes out. Once again, my mom, she likes to give me unique hairstyles. And now we are going back to our house. It's definitely gotten a lot more cold out here. Windy, a lot more windy out here. And I saw somebody get arrested. They were arrested and he was speaking. Guys, don't get arrested, but if you do, don't talk. You're incriminating yourself. They can use everything you say and do against you. One Unique Lamia here. It is day 2 in New York City. So what the hairstyle is looking like. We are outside. The weather today, honestly, is cold out here. It's windy. My face is freezing, and my scalp is a little cold, but I think the coldness on my scalp is soothing it because it's really tight. My mom is going to get a detox today. I'm not going to tell you what type of detox it is because it's a unique one. And we're just following along. Leave a comment when you're watching this video. What are your plans for the day? Would love to know. If you guys are planning an upcoming trip to New York City and you plan to take the bus as your main source of transportation, always be prepared for that bus to be delayed or late because the bus is like 5 minutes late and now we don't know where it is. And it's Sunday too, and generally on Sundays the bus follows like a holiday schedule, so we shall see how long it takes to get here, guys. Thank you. Guys, so my mom went to this location over here. She got a colon therapy treatment. So how would you rate your experience? This was her second one, guys.
Yeah, she said you're supposed to do 3 in 1 year. She's very knowledgeable. She's
Yeah.
very informative. I like that. But the only problem I had is that I had made a purchase through Groupon.
Yeah.
And Groupon gave me the purchase. Last week I made a purchase through Groupon, but it didn't go through. So the purchase went through this week. And when I came, she was like, hey, she couldn't use it because I came last week. So I had to wind up paying like an extra $15 plus.
They charge a lot of tax and tip. Came up to $40. I will say, I don't know.
Less service.
Yeah.
Because I had got it through Groupon for the foot detox and the colon for $75. And she
both
just gave
of them
me,
together?
Yeah, she just gave me the colon, and I wind up spending.
I will say one thing though about, I don't know, New York customer service that I've noticed so far was here, and I think it was somewhere else we went and forgot. I don't know, like when they're not doing something, I feel like they're explaining it to you, but they're explaining it to you in a hostile way, and they're providing a whole bunch of excess information. Because we're around in Philadelphia. After the movie theaters, my mom and I, we went to Macy's. I had to return an item. The movie for my mom was definitely like a 10 out of 10. For me, I rated maybe like an 8 out of 10. My grandmother's scalp.
Don't put the whole thick in, no. Just rub it. Just make certain it rub in right down.
Okay, she has castor oil.
Just the scalp.
So, Gran, how do you feel about me putting castor oil in your
I
hair?
feel good. I catch you for do something.
You caught me to do something? Joe, how's your day going?
Good so far. Just the pain. The pain is my best friend.
Pain's your best friend. That's not good, though. We don't want you to be in pain.
What am I going to do? I got it for years. It ain't going nowhere. Go and drink the water pill. Make it more hard, boy. The belly get heavy. The back get heavy. And it pulling and all sorts of things. Can't even walk good. Old is a bitch.
J.O.'s not cool, he said.
Getting old is a bitch, I tell you.
What did you do for the morning?
I eat. Grandfather give me breakfast. A cup of soup and a cup of tea and a plate of fruits.
Was it good? Out of 10? 10 out of 10?
10.
10?
I tell you thank you. Every day I gotta tell you thank you.
Guys, KFC now gives you paper straws, environmentally friendly. However, I will admit paper straws are not my favorite. So they had a special 2 for $5, so I got 2 wings, a biscuit, and some French fries. Back at King's Plaza last night, my bracelet fell off, and we're gonna see we can get new glasses, a spare because I like my Burberry one. Bath and Body Works has like massage oil and lotion on sale for $5.95. So my mom got me some new glasses. These are what they're looking like. If you were on the live stream, you guys definitely help pick them out. They're purple, square shape, and they're really nice. I mean, they're different. Now I have at least I have 2 main glasses I can wear and 2 spares. I have the third, but the prescription needs to change. What do you think about it? Leave a comment and let me know. Hey everyone, we're back inside. We went to King's Plaza. So this is a haul of everything we got. So first off, as you saw when I was waiting for the bus, my mom, she bought me these new glasses. So yeah, came with the glasses, obviously, changed the prescription, and then it came with a nice box for it, and then a case, which I love. You need to have a case, which is cool. Glasses, cleaner, the cloth for it, and then it also came with lens spray. So yeah, to clean the lens. And then after I got my glasses, my mom and I, we went to Primark and we saw this skirt that's really cool. You could wear it in the summertime, the winter time. And it's just really cool. I love the blue color. And then it has this ruching at the bottom that I've never seen before.
Pumpkin.
So a pumpkin shape, my mom said. So yeah, very, very cool. This was $18 from Primark. Also from Primark is known for having bags that are cheap in both the price and quality. So yeah, affordable. So this bag was $17 and I like it because it has Hello Kitty on it. So wear it like that. I've never worn my bags like this. When I would have bags like this, I just walk with my arms straight down. I can't wear bags like this. I don't like it. So I wear it with my arms straight down. Very cool, very cool. And it has Hello Kitty, the bow on the side. And then after we went to Bath and Body Works. So Bath and Body Works, it's generally an expensive store. I only shop there when they have items on sale. And my mom, she likes I like giving her massages. So there's generally a massage oil and lotion you can buy that helps giving massages. So they had it on sale for $5.95. Because your back hurts. You want me to give you a massage? Yeah. So we bought. In total, we spent $45, I believe, and we got 3.
$18 for one.
Yeah, about $18 for one. So we got 3 of this lavender and vanilla body and massage oil. So this is gonna last a long time. Generally, can last anywhere I feel from 6 months to a year.
You can get the massage oil
and the lotion.
You can get the massage oil.
It's the massage oil.
You can get.
It's the lotion.
That's another.
And this is another type of lotion.
All $5.95.
All for $5.95. And then this is a new one. We've never tried this. This one is supposed to be a stress relief, moisturizing body
So how many
lotion?
What you got for 45?
So 45. We got 2 of these lotions in the bottle with the fancy cap. 2 lavender lotions in the regular Bath and Body Works bottle.
Who love lavender?
My mom. And then we have 3 essential oils. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 items in total for $45 from Bath and Body Works.
That's
nice.
And that's a little keychain on it I hooked up on.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Okay, guys. So my mom's friend came and she said some really nice words. And she gave me this bag. So she embroidered it with the details of my name. Really cool. Love the bag. This is really nice.
That's pretty, yeah.
So it's a cool keychain.
Wow.
Let's look at the book. Let's see. The Story of My Life. Okay, nice. Oh, it's a journal. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice.
So I can write my goals in here and stuff like that. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's cool. So we got a journal and book.
Nice.
And then we have this cool box. I like the details.
This is nice.
This is nice.
And that's
Oh, it has a chest.
This is
really
what
cool.
This is what she is. She's detailed like that. Always been like that.
Oh, wow, this is so pretty.
That's pretty. This is
Let's
so
see.
nice.
What should I do first? This
Well,
is
you need a
nice.
pen.
Yeah, I love the pen. Let's Okay, we always need a pen.
This is so thoughtful. This
Very
is beautiful.
cool. Oh, it says, thank you for being awesome. Thank you. And then this says, may you be proud of the work you do, the person you are, the difference you make. I love the positive stuff.
Yeah.
It's positivity all around. And then we have Disney. Really
is
cool.
nice.
Love Disney.
Oh, Anna, it's so beautiful. This is really nice.
What's this?
This is really nice. This is.
Oh wow, this is so pretty.
Wow.
This is really nice. It's a Disney watch. It's like a charm bracelet.
Wow, that is nice. You really know.
This is really
This is
nice.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
Look, it's like a charm bracelet.
Yes. She knows you. She knows you. This is.
Oh
nice.
wow, this is pretty
You got more stuff
too.
too. Oh my goodness.
That's a phone stand. You put your phone on.
Oh
That
wow.
is cute. What are you
This
trying
is
to
so
do?
nice.
I'm the one.
This is really nice.
Wow. Wow.
I like this one too.
Put on her thing.
Like motivational stuff to decorate.
This is so cute. That's
Be you.
Oh, Anna, this is lovely. Wow.
This is
really
nice.
This is really
And
nice.
ooh, this is pretty. And then we got another notebook. It says Minnie and Mickey Mouse. Thank you so much.
She just.
Wow.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Shout out again to my mom's friend Anna. Thank you so much for the gifts. They were totally unexpected and I greatly, greatly appreciate them and your kindness. Thank you. Have a great day.